Hey guys, B-Tech here. Have you ever watched an old anime or classic movie and wished it looked sharper, smoother, and more vibrant? Well, today, I'll show you how to enhance and upscale any video to 4K using AI with just a few clicks. Introducing AnyEnhancer, an AI-powered video enhancer that can increase resolution, improve frame rates, and enhance colors effortlessly. In this video, I'll show you how it works with a step-by-step guide and real-time comparisons. Stick around to see how AI can transform low-quality footage into stunning high-definition videos. Let's get started by setting up AnyEnhancer. First, download and install the software from the official website. You can find the link in the description. The installation may take some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. AnyEnhancer supports a wide range of video formats, including MP4, MOVI, WebM, and FLV. It can upscale videos to 2K and 4K resolutions, making it perfect for anime lovers, movie enthusiasts, and content creators. The interface is clean, simple, and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate for both beginners and advanced users. Now that we're set up, let's enhance some footage. First, we'll use the intelligent enhancement model to upscale a video. Let's take an anime clip that is currently at 480p. On a larger, high-resolution display, it looks blurry and pixelated. To fix this, simply open AnyEnhancer and click Upload Video. No internet is required. Everything happens locally on your device. However, make sure your PC has good performance, as this process requires GPU power. Now I've selected the anime clip I want to upscale. Here you can see the available options. For upscaling, you can use either intelligent enhancement or resolution enhancement. Both can increase video quality up to 4K. Before applying changes, you can preview the upscaled version to see how it looks. If you're happy with the result, you can proceed. But you'll need to purchase the product to unlock the full upscaling feature. Since the processing happens locally, the upscaling speed will depend on your device's hardware. To ensure faster performance, make sure AnyEnhancer is using your dedicated GPU. To check this, open Task Manager and see if it's using the integrated GPU or dedicated GPU. If it's using the integrated GPU, you can manually set AnyEnhancer to use your dedicated GPU by 1. Right-clicking on the desktop. 2. Clicking Display Settings, Graphics Settings. 3. Adding AnyEnhancer to the list and selecting High Performance. Now, let's compare the before and after results. The anime is now in true 4K resolution, and the difference is crystal clear. No more blurry visuals, just sharp, high-quality anime. Creating a smooth video. If your video looks choppy, you can increase the frame rate by 2x or 4x for ultra-smooth motion. This is perfect for anime and action-packed movies. Let's apply this to a movie clip. I'll select 4x frame interpolation. As you can see, the motion is now buttery smooth. Since we applied 4x interpolation, the video now runs at 96 FPS. If you have a high refresh rate monitor, this makes a huge difference in smoothness and motion clarity. Color enhancement. This tool boosts saturation and brightness, making colors pop and improving clarity. It's especially useful for restoring old anime or faded movies. Let's apply color enhancement to the previous anime clip. As you can see, the enhanced version is now more vibrant, colorful, and pleasing to watch. AnyEnhancer also includes some extra tools that can be really useful. Clip and trim videos. Select and keep only the best parts of your footage. Crop videos. Adjust the frame size for a better viewing experience. These additional features make the software even more versatile. With just a few clicks, AnyEnhancer lets you transform low-quality anime and movies into breathtaking high-resolution masterpieces. Try AnyEnhancer now by clicking the link in the description. Which anime or movie would you enhance first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials and reviews.